third runner-up, Maria Senya Angela Guangco from Hiligara. Linay San Negros 2023 second runner-up, Rica Alcuri from Don Salvador Benedicto. Linay San Negros 2023 first runner-up, Jasmine Claire Pesquera from Sagay. Your Linay San Negros 2023, Aliyah Janine Al-Rashid from Kawayan.
To my dearest Negros, as my reign comes to a close, I stand before you with a heart filled with gratitude and humility. For the past year, my journey has been filled with growth and inspiration. I have had the opportunity to explore Negros Occidental and make meaningful connections with the people and their culture. But none of it would have been possible without these people. I would like to thank God for bestowing upon me this opportunity, to Mayor John Ray Tabuhara and Vice Mayor Jing Soriano for trusting me to represent the municipality of Kawayan, to my family, especially to my Manong Carlo for their profound support, to Sir E. Salas, my pastorela trainer, for believing in my abilities, to my GLAM team headed by Ms. Jani Kofi Oy, to Manglay, my official designer last year, to Barangay Inayawan and Alihan, to Marky for joining me in my adventures all over Negros, to my Linay sisters for the wonderful journey and newfound sisterhood, and to the production